Hi guys, welcome to Vedantu Learn Live Online. Guys, today we are going to beat the calculator, that is maths, with Ramya ma'am, and here our doubt expert today is Akshay sir. And here guys, broadcasted link is for Vedantu Super Kids course.
Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and all of you are doing great. So before we start, I would like to share that we at Vedantu, we keep upgrading the online learning space so that our students can have seamless experience through innovation and new method of learning. Child safety has always been our first priority and we ensure that we provide a safe learning environment for all our students. With the assurance of the child's safety, I would like to begin our session today. So I can see a lot of my children are enthusiastically waiting to learn something new with Vedantu. I personally welcome you all to an amazing session with me. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ramya. I have done my MCA MPhil. I am into the field of teaching for past 9 years. So I feel teachers are the person who can make changes on a child's life on a daily basis. Vedantu usually attract people who are very passionate about teaching, and that's why I am here. Now it's time for me to know my children. So let me know you all by knowing your grades. So on your screen, you will be able to see many children holding the grades on their hands, right? I'll just switch on my hotspot so that you can just click on your grades and tell me in which grade are you belonging to. Quickly, fast, children. So polls are the only way through which we can interact with each other or talk with each other. So make sure you have to click on it whenever it is on. So I hope all my children have clicked on it. Let me check. Wow, I can see a lot of children from a variety of grades starting from grade 3 to grade 10. That's amazing. And I'm very happy to see that I have 23% of the children from grade 3. Superb. So children, which device are you using to attend this session? Is it a mobile phone, a PC, laptop or an iPad? Just click and tell me fast. Quickly children, which device are you using to attend the session? Okay, I hope you all have clicked. Let me check. Okay, that's great. All right. So before we move ahead, I wish to know how many of you children like math or how many of you have math as your favorite subject. Quickly click on the polls and let me know them. So children, if you don't like math, it's fine. You can click no. I hope everyone have clicked. Yes, children. Okay, let me check. Wow, I'm very happy to see that nearly 91% of my children like mathematics. I'm amazing and happy. But I can see nearly 10% of the children don't like math. I can understand because math is full of problem and no one like problem. And even in our school, we are not allowed to use calculator for any kind of help. So to make life simple, I am here with some shortcuts to solve some of your math problems. So children, do you want to learn some of the math tricks? Just click the polls and let me know that. But fast and quickly. Quickly, I want to know how many of you are really interested to learn these shortcut tricks. Let me check. Wow, very happy to see that 96% of the children like to know more about math tricks. So let's start now. Let's move on and we shall explore a lot of shortcuts for math problems. So let's start with adding two numbers. Wow. So let us learn how to add two numbers. So here is your trick for how to add. When we have to add large numbers together, how do we do that? So here is the trick I have for you. When you have very large number, this is what we have to do. Add them up. Firstly, we round both the numbers to be added, followed by adding them the rounded figures together. Secondly, we figure out the numbers added to the original numbers to round them up and add those two numbers together. Lastly, we subtract the sum of the number used in rounding up from the sum of the rounded figure to get the correct answer. I'll give you one example of this. So suppose we are going to add 644 and 238 together. Round up both so that it becomes 650 and 240. Second, add them together where you get 890. Third, sum up the number you added to round our original number. So for 644, to round up 644 to 650, you added 6. And to round 238 to 240, you added 2. So just add 6 plus 2, we get 8. Lastly, we subtract 8 from 890 and we get a final answer, that's 882. Isn't it easy and quickly, children? So I have put up a question for you. So let me see how many of my children have really understood the concept. So here is your question. So what is the sum of 657 and 568? So children, I can give you 30 seconds to solve it. Okay? And your time starts now. Quickly try to give me an answer. Fast, time up. All right, let me check. Okay, I can see 5 children have given the right answer. That's amazing. So let's see the overall percentage. 47% of the children were able to give the right answer. And the answer is B 1, 2, 2, 5. Now, some children who have given me a wrong answer, you will have a doubt, right? So, let me explain it for you. So here is a question that is a sum of 657 and 568. So when you round up, you get 660 by adding 3, and by adding 2, you will get 60 plus 570 and 3 plus 2. So when you add, you get 1230, and when you add 3 plus 2, you get 5. Now minus, then you get 1225. So that is the right answer. All right, children, I hope you are clear with this. Okay, that's great. So now let's move on to our next concept. That is subtraction. So actually in this class, we will be looking into 4 operators. That's addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yeah, so let's explore the second one. The subtraction trick is to subtract any number from 1000, and the trick goes like this. So subtract every digit in the number except the last from 9 and subtract the final number from 10. So I'll try to explain you with one example. So let me take the second example because the number is little big. 1000 minus 783. So we write them all in different lines and start subtracting. Now 3 is in 1's position. So we subtract it from 10, and remaining digits we have to subtract them one by one from 9. So 10 minus 3, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 7. Now putting them all together, we get 217. So that's the answer. So I hope it was really quick and easy. Right, children? Yes. So now let's move on. As I told, I have put up a question for you. So let me see how many of my children have actually understood how to subtract. Sorry, children, I just came back to the old question. I'm really sorry. Yeah. So here is your question. What is 1000 minus 798? You have 4 options. So start it. I'll give you 5 seconds solving time. Solve it fast. All right, your 30 seconds time starts now. Fast, quick. Ten seconds left, so do it little fast, children. Time up. So let's see how many of my children have given the answer right. Okay, so 3 children were able to do it right and give a right answer. So let me check. Oh wow, overall is really good. I can see 59% of the children have given the right answer, and the answer is option A, 202. Let me explain you the same. So here is the solution, children. So we have to subtract 1000 minus 798. So we write them in different lines and start subtracting. 8 is in 1's position, so we subtract it from 10. And remaining digit, we have to subtract them one by one from 9. So 10 minus 8, 9 minus 9, again 9 minus 7. All putting them together, you get the answer 202. So very good, children. So before moving on to the next operator, like you all know, next operator. So let's have a look on the leaderboard. So here is the leaderboard. Oh wow, we have a lot of children in the same position. So Sakshi has stopped it, and then we have a lot of children. So no worries, children. We have lots of tricks coming on in the whole session. So play very energetically and enthusiastically so that your name will also top in the leaderboard. Okay? No, and I know like there will be a lot of changes when you when you do this, by the end of the class, you will be able to see there will be a lot of changes in the leaderboard. Okay, so all the best, children. Keep playing. So let's move. So before we move ahead, I wish to talk about the Supercoder program which we have it at Vedantu, and how is this program different from webinars which you children are attending right now. So all the classes are live one-to-one class. It means there will be one teacher and one student. So the teacher will be able to pay her complete attention on one child at a time. We have different courses for all the grades which have been designed keeping in view the IQ level of the children of specific age group and classes. You can check different packages on the website. Each one of them focuses on some specialization but ensures the overall development of the child. By the end of the course program, you would be able to see your child evolving into a better person with enhanced logical and reasoning ability, better problem solving skill, and there will be an excellent performance in academics also. So children, as you all are there in my session today, I'm going to present you an offer like never before where you get the best. So I hope all my children always need the best. So there is a live, okay? There is a live one-to-one personalized hour, live hour of personalized attention with the curriculum as per your age group with the best educator, where you get access to explore opportunity on coding, and you will be awarded with a free certification from Team Vedantu. So to avail all these things, what you have to do? You have to just click on the link which is present on the right side of the screen and book your slot at your convenience. So one more thing, children, book your slot immediately, okay, because we have very limited slots going on, open every day. And as you all are in my session today, there is a one fantastic offer going on in Vedantu. So we have a summer sale going on. So we at Vedantu, we are in a mission we want all the child to learn coding. So if you enroll for the coding course right away, you will get a discount of flat 20% plus 25% of cashback. Isn't that great? So I hope all my parents and children would maximize on this offer and get the best of it. So with this being shared, to avail all these things, we will put the first step. First step is to just click on the link and book a free demo so that you can get into the course, attend the free class. You get a feel of how live one-to-one class actually works, and then book on the package. So I hope all my parents and students would maximize on this offer so that they can get the maximum benefit out of this. Yes, children? Yeah. So immediately click on it and book your slot right away. So with this being shared, let's move on to see some magic tricks. So till now we were learning about math tricks. So I am here to present one of a magic trick for all of you. So how many of you want to learn a magic trick? Just quickly click on the polls and let me know. Are you interested in learning a magic trick? Quickly. Fast, fast. I hope you all have clicked. Let me check. Wow, I can see 97% of the children are saying yes, I am here to learn one. So here is the magic trick for all of you. So children, I want you all to think of a number. Try to think of a simple number so that you'll be able to do all the calculations. Yeah, now multiply the number by 3. Whichever number you have taken. For example, I have taken number 1. Now I have to multiply it by 3. My answer is 3. Yeah. Now add it with 6. So 6 plus 3, I get 9. So whatever number you have thought, you can do it. After that, you have to divide this number by 3. So when I divide 9 by 3, again I get 3. Later on, subtract the number from step 1 from the answer in step 4. So in the step 4, I got the answer as 3. So I have to subtract it from the number which I have thought in step 1. So my number was 1. I am subtracting it. So when I subtract, I get the answer 2. So I think probably everyone would have got the same answer, right? It's a magic trick. You can try with all your friends and family. Yes. So this is the easiest one which anyone can learn. So let's go back to our math trick. Now coming back to our third operator, which is multiplication. So as you all know, multiplication is the biggest problem, I guess. So how will it sound if I say that I have some math tricks even for multiplication? So let's start from multiplying any number with 5. Let's start with the even number. So multiplication with 5 in case of an even number is the easiest trick. Okay, so let's learn it. First we take the even number, divide it by 2. Then we write it in the tens place. After which we add a 0 to the ones place to get the right answer. That's easy, right? It's very quick and easy. So let's see an example like multiplying 5 into 12. So divide 12 by 2, which is 6. Later on add a 0, which is 60. Isn't it quick and easy? So let me check how many of my children have understood it. I have put up a question for you all. So here is an easy question, which is 5 multiplied by 32. I'll give you 5 seconds to solve it. Solve it fast. Your time starts now. Fast, children. Come on. Quickly, children. Fast. Do it fast. Last 5 seconds left with you. All right, time up. Let's see how many children have given the right answer. Wow, amazing to see that 9 children were able to give the right answer. Superb children. So let me see the overall percentage. Wow, that's amazing to see. I can see a lot of experts in multiplication here compared to addition and subtraction. Yes, or I can see that it's a very easy task. That's the reason you all were able to get it. Yeah, whatever may be, that's really nice to see. So let me explain how to solve it. Let me explain to you once. So 5 into 32. You just divide 32 by 2, which becomes 16. Add a 0 next to it, that's 160. Yeah, so this was the one in which we saw multiplication with an even number. Let's move ahead and see about multiplication with an odd number. All right? Yes. So how to multiply 5 with an odd number? First, we subtract 1 from the odd number to be multiplied. Now it becomes an even number. Okay, and divide it by 2 and write it in tens place. After which we add 5 in ones place to get the correct answer. So there is only small modification from the before trick. So let's start with the easy one. Like for example, if you're multiplying 5 and 17. So I can subtract 1, it becomes 16. And divide by 2, which is 8. Now later add a 5 to it, that's 85. So I hope it's very easy and quick. So I'm going to put up a question for you all. Let me see how many of you are able to give me a right answer. So here is the question that what is 5 multiplied by 25? Take 5 seconds time to solve. Okay, now your time starts. Quickly, click and let me know. Fast. Children, you have only last 10 seconds left with you. Do it fast. Okay, let's see. Wow, superb children, superb. I can see all the 10 children have given the right answer. That's really nice. So overall, I'm expecting 80 plus. Let's see. Wow, this is also a good number. That 73% of the children have given the right answer. Amazing, amazing children. Let's see. The answer is option C, 125. So I'll just solve and show you the same. So when you multiply, what you do? You have to first subtract, it becomes 24. Divided by 2, it becomes 12. Later on, add a 5, it becomes 125. Yeah? So now again, let's learn to do multiplication little more easier. So this was with 5. So let's learn it with 11. Suppose we have to multiply a two-digit number by 11. So the trick applies for the two-digit numbers whose digits when added together comes to equal than or less than 9. So for those numbers, what shall we do is, we start with writing both digits, leaving a gap in between them, and later adding both the numbers together and put the sum in that gap to get your result. So you will get a clear idea when I explain it with an example. So 11 multiplied by 45. So first we write both the digits and filling the blanks. In between 4 and 5, we just put a dash. Now we add 4 and 5 so that we get 9. Just put that 9 in between. So that's really easy. Correct, children? Yeah. So let's see how many of my children are actually going to give me a right answer. So this is the question and I have given you 5 seconds to solve this question. 11 multiplied by 54. Fast, fast. All right. Your solving time is over. Now it's time for you to give the answer. Your time starts now. Fast, fast. Quickly, quickly. 10 seconds left. Quickly, children. Let me see. Time up. Wow. 9 children were able to give the right answer. That's really good. Superb, children. Let's see the overall time, overall percentage. Oh, wow. 64% of the children have given the right answer. That's great. And the right answer is option A. Okay. That is 594. So I'll just explain you how it has been solved. So as I said, 5 and 4, you have to give a gap. Then add 5, 4, you get an answer 9. Just put it in between that. So the answer is 594. Great, children, superb. So let's move on and see how to multiply two-digit number easily and faster in your head. So we start subtracting both the numbers from 100. Then add the result you got from subtraction and subtract that sum from 100 again. And this number will be in tens position. Now we multiply the result we got from subtraction in step 1 and place it in ones position in the result. So both together is a final answer for the multiplication. So I will explain you the same with one example. So we multiply 97 into 96. So let's start subtracting both the numbers from 100. So we get 100 minus 97 is 300 minus 96 is 4. Then add the result we got from subtraction, which is 3 plus 4, that's 7. And subtract the sum from 100 again. So we get 100 minus 7 equal to 93, and this number 93 will be in tens position. Now we multiply the result we got from subtraction in step 1, which is 3 into 4, that's 12, and place 12 in ones place in the result. Lastly, both together is the final answer for the multiplication we get, that's 9312. Yes, children, it is really easy and quick. You will get a practice. It comes out of practice. If you practice 2-3 questions, it will be very easy for you to get this trick. So let's try one question now itself. So here is the question. What happens when 92 is multiplied by 98? So I'll give you 10 seconds to solve it. Solve it fast. Later on, I'll start the quiz. I can see the children have got the trick for multiplication. Yeah, I'm very happy for that. So the right answer is option C, 9016. So let me explain. I'll just solve and show it. So we have 92 multiplied by 98. So just subtract both the numbers from 100. So you get 2, 8 and 2. Now we add the result we get so that we have 8 plus 2 is 10 and subtract it from 100. So we get 100 minus 10, 90. Now we also multiply the result we get in step 1. So we have 8 into 2, 16. Now we put the subtracted result first, followed by the multiplied result to get our final answer. Hence we get 9016 as an answer. Yes, children? Yeah. So now as you all know, we have one more operator. Yeah, let's move on and see that. So that's the division operator. So let's see how can we divide large number by 5. So this is very easy and quick trick. Okay, so all you have to do is only 2 steps. One, you multiply the number by 2. Second, you just move the decimal point. That is an example for you, like 235 into 2, that's 470. Just adjust the decimal point. That's really easy, right, children? Yes. So before ending the class, I would like to give you one more magic trick. Okay, just to, this is a trick related to the age calculation. Okay, so let's see. So I want to know how many of my children again want to learn about a magic trick. Because a lot of math tricks you have learned related to all the 4 type of operators. Now how many of you want to learn a magic trick? Quickly click and tell me. Have you all clicked? Shall I see? Shall I check? Fast, children, fast. I'm really waiting for your polls. Done? Have you all clicked? Is the time ready for me to check? I hope all of you have clicked. Let me check. Wow, amazing to see that 93% of the children want to learn more magic trick. Okay, now let's learn I think the slide, okay, the slide is loading. Okay, children. Now you choose a 3-digit number with same digit in the sense 333, 444, 555, like that. After that, you have to add all these 3 numbers. For example, if it is 333, add it to get 9. Now divide the original number 333 divided by 9, that's 37. All of you who took different numbers will also get 37. So go ahead and try with your friends. Okay, so we have learned a lot about some math trick. So let me include that how calculator does calculation. It converts each and every binary form and does the operation. This is a kind of coding done by calculator. So to understand how calculator work or to understand the computational power of calculator, we need to understand coding. So we at Vedantu have exactly what you're looking for. A perfect course which will not only teach how to program, but will also help you to explore all the possible practical application. So I can see a lot of my children are really enthusiastically waiting to learn. So my lovely children, hope you all are enjoying this masterclass. Now there is a big surprise yet to come. You all will be thinking, what is a big surprise, right? So it's a Vedantu Supercoder program for all of you, where you get a live one-on-one session, an opportunity to have fun, explore and learn from expert teacher at Vedantu. Not only that, you will also get a free coding certificate, career counseling, mentorship and much more. So hurry up to join us, to click on the link which is shared on the right side of the screen, as we have very limited slots open every day. So we at Vedantu, we are on the mission to make all the children learn coding in order to improve their analytical ability, logical thinking, reasoning, and problem solving skill. And therefore, we are providing an offer like never before. So enroll for this course right away so that you can get a flat 20% off and get up to 25% cashback on any package whichever you buy now. So hurry up children, hurry up parents, grab this deal before it is gone. So it's a very exciting offer and it will get ended very soon. So I hope all my parents and my children are going to maximize on this offer. So to take the first step, book a free demo now and enroll for this course before the offer is gone to avail this awesome discount. So immediately, right away, click on the link and book your package. Yeah? So as we are in the end of our session, I know a lot of my children are enthusiastically and waiting for having a look on the leaderboard, right children? So let's have a look on the leaderboard. So Sakshi has topped the leaderboard. Then we have Quaish, Tanmay, Laksha, Priya, Kannak, Swatik, Ditya, Subankini, Mokshita, Akshay, Ayush, Soumya, Ayush, Palash. Congratulations to all the children. As you all have performed great, you will be receiving an SMS from Vedantu where you are going to get some great offers as reward points. I would like to thank you all for joining my session. I wish to see you all in my one-to-one live demo session. So I hope all of you have enjoyed a lot this session as much as I was very happy conducting this session. Stay tuned with Vedantu for more informative masterclasses. So until we meet, bye-bye children, take care.